Lizali City Gala Tikongo Siye Nyani. Let's make it a prayer this morning. Zonke Zonke Make it a prayer this morning. Oh, Lizali, sitting alive. Tikongo, Sienyani. Zonkinhla,
Ngebo, thank you for this initiative. Kude imvelo emnanzi njenge-acknowledge. That is the most expensive indlela yokubonga umuntu. It's the most expensive incentive ku-acknowledge. And lokwendile is a great acknowledgement. Lokwendlula imali ngoba imali has never satisfied anyone. Lokuchamuka ngekhathi kusebenza ngekuzimisela nangekukhandla bese ukhona lothi thank you. So thank you so much. Inhlitiyo tenu tibandi, dinkulu, atizondi, atichwensi, atendini. I appreciate you with all my heart and strength. And uma senikhuluma the way passionate ngayo ngalama issues lawo. Uyabona ukuthi aniyanga lapha ngesiphosiso but uNkulunkulu nguyilaniqhuba wanimikisa lapha. Ngibonge nawe Ngcebo, ngibonge former DPM lokho identify ukuthi lead i-council ye-disability. Thank you so much. Waba ne vision because the way you apply yourself is just unbelievable.